Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a long snap in Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's open up our Snapchat app first. And after you have opened your Snapchat, you will be checking to this interface. And now if you want to take a long snap, and press and hold the record button to take the long snap as you need. So let's tap and hold it. As well, you can see the timer has been started, and we can take a long snap for a certain moment. And there guys, this is our long snap, and this is how you create a long snap. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.